Our company is Klf Textile. We are a young manufacturer from China, and our product is especially for knitting, like sweaters, socks, hats, and something like that. Our best seller is the coarse-spun yarn for viscose nylon PVT, and this is also very popular here in Bangladesh. We are based in China, and we have an office in Suzhou City. This is where is close to Shanghai, about 1 hour drive from Shanghai. And our factory is located in Guangxi province, which makes our product is very competitive with lower price and stable quality. We are pleased to take part in this exhibition. And here, the visiting volume of the people is very large here. And we have accomplished a lot of customer resources here, and we are very happy about that, and hope that we can have a great future here in Bangladesh, and we can serve you well with competitive price and good quality. And thank you everyone.